Alright guys, here it is, the 2022 KTM 150 XCW. Looks fantastic as all the 2022 models do. Much better than the 2021s in my humble opinion. Blue seat, natural tank, two different shades of blue. One's almost like a purple. Looks super good. Plenty of orange on the number plates. So, updates for 2022. As far as the 150, it's mainly suspension updates. So they're pretty substantial suspension updates too. So in the front, you get a lower friction outer fork tube, a polished spring, which is supposed to keep your oil from getting as dirty, a new upper cartridge screw connection, which is supposed to improve rebound damping, and on the shock, they changed out a couple O-rings, and that's it, but it's supposed to make an improvement. So that's it as far as changes, guys. It's graphics and suspension for this year. MSRP on these is $91.99. I'm gonna go ahead and start this thing up, let you guys listen to it. It's amazing, absolutely amazing to me how quiet these bikes are. A lot of guys will say, why do you need an electric bike when you have a two-stroke this quiet? Just pretty amazing. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any interest in picking up a KTM, then email sales@aomc.mx and tell them you saw the MX Guru's video, and they will get you hooked up. Also, go to www.aomc.mx. We have a full line of parts and accessories for these things, guys. Everything KTM group and a whole lot of Japanese stuff too. So you can use coupon code MX Guru, should work on there, save you 10%. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.